What's the meaning of arithmetically? Arithmetically. Arithmetically.
Arithmetically. Arithmetically. Arithmetically refers to anything related to arithmetic, which is a branch of mathematics that deals with the manipulation of numbers using basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Arithmetical calculations are often used in everyday life, such as when calculating prices or working out budgets. In a more technical sense, arithmetically can refer to a specific method of solving problems that involves using arithmetic operations. Overall, arithmetically is a term that relates to the fundamental principles and processes of numerical computation.